Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie and last video I made these cute buttons from avocado bits. I got the question if you can put these in your washing machine without turning your whole laundry pink a few times. Well, actually it was only 2 times, but you know, 2 people commenting on a YouTube video isn't a lot, 2 people following you down a dark alleyway is a lot, so perspective. But I'm going to test this anyway, and I first did what every person does nowadays. I asked it to ChatGPT and it told me that it was possible but very unlikely. So I'm going to sew this to a white piece of fabric, put it in my washing machine with my dark wash so it cannot damage anything else, and then we'll see. I'm quite curious. I hope you are too. Just for your information, I put the washing machine on a cycle of 1.5 hours on 40 degrees Celsius, that is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. I always wash at these settings and my wash always comes out clean, so I don't recommend setting it any higher. And here you have the result. I managed to find the piece of fabric in my washing machine and I don't see any pink dye or any pink shade anywhere on the fabric. So this experiment concludes that you can wash these, just don't put your washing machine too high. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your additional comments or opinions about this in the comments below. Bye!